Hello, people of YouTube! Today is Tuesday the 14th. I am MC Conrad, and oh my god, look, there's a killer cat on the loose. See? Killer cat. This is my sister's cat, O'Malley. Say hi to the camera. Okay, now, I want to show you something. Look, I got a game from GameStop. And look, I got a PS4! Hooray for me! And you're probably asking, Michael, why did you get a PS4? Well, the game from GameStop is gonna explain it. Because I got the Godzilla game for the PS4. That's right. It's the US release of the Japanese game from December the 18th, 2014. This game has extra bonus features. You could play as Godzilla and a lot of other monsters. In fact, I am going to unbox the PS4 and I'm going to unbox this as well, starting now. Hey, if you know Super Mario Logan, the Yoshi's Bad Deal, yeah, it was a lot like this, but this box is definitely full. I remember him saying, "Full! It's empty!" Oh look, here's the controller. Ooh, nice. And look, this is a button you can press. Let's see. There are two guides, a quick start guide and a Spanish version. Then there's a safety guide. And look at the system, a PS4. And if you know my Wii U, it's on top of the Wii. And that's what my PS4 will be like. Okay, I got the cords. And look, it comes with an HDMI cable. Look at O'Malley. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Come to Papa. Oh, this thing is filled with power for its owner. Here I am, and here's the PS4. Look at it. It looks advanced from the PS3. And get this. Okay, now I'm gonna put the camera here. Okay. Good. Hi guys. And watch this. Watch. There. And watch this. Alley-oop. Bam! What do you think? PS4 on the bottom, PS3 on top. It's like a super system. Yeah. If only they made the PS3, PS4 combo set. With a PS3 on top and a PS4 on the bottom. Yeah. Well, I'm going to set it up now. HDMI cable. Oh, and your PlayStation Store account can work on the PS4 if you have one on the PS3. Okay, let's see. Where does it go? Yes, it goes in here. And time being. Yeah. Okay, now for the plug. Oh, well, look at this. A charger for my remote. Let's see. Put it in here. And here we go. Hey, kitty. Hey, no, you don't play with that. This is my cord. Now, for the final touch. Add the plug to the back of the PS4. Yes. Now the light should be on. Wait a minute. How do I turn the system on? Oh well. Okay. Now to start the TV. And okay, the TV's saying please wait. Okay. Okay. Come on, kitty. Okay, it says no signal. But I press the button. And we are live. Hold on. Okay, it's on HDMI, so why does it say no signal? Oh, there we go. Checking the system storage. Don't turn off the PS4. I'm gonna have a great time playing as Godzilla. Okay. And now while the PS4 is getting configured, I will do the unboxing of Godzilla. Okay. Just take the tape off. Look, the PS4 is already on. And here we go. Here. Oh, it says was not turned off properly. Okay. Huh? Oh, the PS4 has been used, so I must make a new user. Well, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, right, okay. Now, here we go. There. Hey, kitty. Mom?
What?
What's the password for the Wi-Fi?
Our phone number, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Just write it down and then give it to me.
I'll get
Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna get one. Wait. Give me a sticky note. I'll write on a sticky note. Alright. Now, here. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. I had to go downstairs for a while. Okay. Now, the password's gonna be called okay, here we go. Okay. 803-764-7226. Alright, Mom, I got the password. Thanks. Okay, now to type in the password. And I'm not telling you guys what it is. Wait. Oh, no. You guys are not seeing this. So, sorry. But the camera will have to direct it at, the kitty for a while. Oh, the kitty ran away. Okay, so, yeah, I let him out. Yes, but he hasn't eaten dinner. I think so. Okay. Now, here we go. A system update. Everything's been successful. The connection is now complete. On my channel, I can upload more than 15 minutes, so this could be like a 20-minute video, give or take. Well, actually, I'm going to end it right here. Goodbye.